We thank you all the media friends for coming and taking this news part. Well, we are all aware that yesterday, that is on 12th April 2022, a tribal conference was held at Gyanandra Barman Boys Higher Secondary School playground. And in that tribal conference, we are aware that a person named called Gyanandra Barman have came as a guest and gave provocative speeches that lead to the hurting the sentiments of the tribal peoples of Karbi Anglong. And for making such provocative statement and remarks on the tribal conference. Today we the Karbi Student Associations are taking an initiative to register an FIR against Mr. Gyanandra Barman for making provocative and unconstitutional remarks on the tribal conference. We would like to ask Mr. Gyanandra Barman, how dare he talks about the rights, he talks about the scheduled tribe. He is a man from Aryan race, and how dare he talk about the scheduled tribe, or how dare he talks about the rights of the tribal people. He doesn't have the constitutional rights, and he doesn't have the legal rights to give his comment, to give his remarks on the scheduled tribe. So we vehemently condemn his statement, and we would like to appeal to the government to terminate his job as professor of the Cotton University. We the Karbi Student Association will never accept such kind of professor who spread hatreds among the tribals brothers, among the scheduled tribe community. We don't need such kind of professors. Instead, we feel pity for those students who teach them, who are under his teaching. We don't need such kind of teachers. We don't need such kind of professors who don't respect the sentiments, of the scheduled tribe peoples. So for that reason, we appeal to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and to the government of Assam to terminate his job and to suspend him forever. We don't need such kind of professor. And lastly, we appeal to the Assam police to take severe actions against this person. If Assam police fail to take any stringent actions against this person, then Karbi Student Associations will be compelled to resort to democratic agitations until and unless that person, Mr. Gyanandra Barman, apologize to the people of Karbi Anglong, apologize to the scheduled tribe people, and lastly, the government of Assam terminate. If the government of Assam and if the government of Assam doesn't terminate his job from the Cotton University, then we will resort to a democratic movement until and unless justice is served to the people of Karbi Anglong. Justice is served to the scheduled tribe people.